Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make waffles with no eggs. First, let's explore some excellent egg substitutes. Applesauce is a fantastic option, adding moisture and a touch of sweetness. Mashed banana works wonderfully for binding and flavor. For a more neutral choice, a flax egg, made from 1 tablespoon of flaxseed meal and 3 tablespoons of water, is perfect. These simple swaps ensure your waffles are just as delicious. Now, let's get our dry ingredients ready. In a large bowl, combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget a 1/4 teaspoon of salt to balance the flavors, and 2 tablespoons of sugar for sweetness and a golden finish. Whisk everything together really well, ensuring there are no lumps and all ingredients are evenly distributed. Next, prepare your wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 3/4 cups of milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now, add your chosen egg substitute, like 1/2 cup of applesauce. Gradually pour the wet mixture into the dry ingredients. Mix gently until just combined. A few small lumps are perfectly fine. Overmixing can lead to tough waffles. Finally, it's time to cook. Preheat your waffle iron according to the manufacturer's instructions. Lightly grease the plates if your iron isn't non-stick. Pour about 1/2 cup of batter onto the hot iron, or enough to fill it about 2/3. Close the lid and cook for 3 to 5 minutes, or until your waffles are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Serve them warm with your favorite toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.